Most people aren't held back by lack of talent, time, or opportunity. They're held back by invisible walls built inside their minds. These are limiting beliefs, quiet, persistent thoughts that whisper, "I'm not good enough. I'll never succeed," or "people like me can't do that." They often come from past failures, childhood experiences, or things society repeatedly told us. But here's the truth. These beliefs are not facts. They're stories we've accepted as true, and they shape our actions without us even realizing it. To overcome them, you first have to notice them. Pay attention to the excuses you make. What do you say to yourself when you're about to take a risk, try something new, or aim higher? That voice of doubt isn't your enemy. It's a scared version of you trying to stay safe. But safety doesn't lead to growth. It leads to stagnation. The next step is challenging the belief. Ask yourself, is this absolutely true? Can I find evidence to the contrary? What would I tell a friend who thought this way? Often you'll find that your limiting belief is built on a shaky foundation. Then replace it, not with fake positivity, but with new beliefs rooted in possibility. Instead of "I can't do this," say "I'm learning how to do this." Instead of "I'm not smart enough," say "I can figure things out." Growth starts when you challenge the old story and choose a better one. You are not your past, you are not your doubts. You are the writer of your next chapter. And when you rewrite those beliefs, you don't just change your mindset, you change your entire life.